Really hope the weather breaks this weekend because I got so much busy stuff to do. I have to go pick up some round bales. I would actually like to make some round bale feeders so they don't destroy them. I gotta kick the guinea hens out to this coop or move this coop to a better area. And then on May 7th, I've got pheasants coming in, which is why the guineas have to get kicked out. And then it's coming up on weaning season for the kids. Extra, I don't know. I'm going to have to make a list. There are reasons why I desensitize my horses to umbrellas, and today is a perfect example. It's pouring. Mother Nature's mad. There's one pony. There's the other pony. You don't care that I have an umbrella, do you? You're like, no, you brought us food. Thanks, Mom. Big Mama hates rain, and she's standing under the overhang. And she's so annoyed. She's like, I think it's flies. It's not flies, it's rain, honey. Come under the overhang, you weirdo. It's still not a fly. It's still rain. Nothing I do will hurt you. Nothing. You don't have to be scared. Stop with the head. I don't do anything to hurt you. That thing I do. I do a lot of energy things. I know. You are not an energy horse. You're like, I got enough energy for two of us. Why are you wasting all of yours? I like being scared. Good boy. Because your human is small. And you're a tall horse. I don't care if you have your head up because I'm a giant. But your human wants you to have your head down. Yes, she does. I assure you, she does not want to put a bridle on a big boy head. Oh, that's my man. That's my boy. Somebody got her foot rewrapped and she's snuggly. She hates it though, don't you? You naturally hate this. So cute. I gotta tell you, I might bottle baby a kid every year because this is just too dang adorable. Did you just get scared of a cat? Is the cat terrifying? It's over there. It's leaving. Why was the cat terrifying? Come on. Time to go back in your home. There you go. I had so much planned to do this weekend, but as you can tell, Mother Nature decided that she ain't done letting go of the crazy weather yet. Babies, where are you? Ellie! Bestie! Hi, kiddos! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. Holy cow, you guys are strong. I can't do this one-handed. Who's gonna win? Who is going to win? And then she's gonna go and beat up Ellie as soon as she empties hers. We're empty. Yeah, we're empty. Give me yours. She says, give me yours.
party. It's a great battle. It's a great battle. I don't think there's anything in there. If there is, it's air at this point. There, it's air. We're done. Bye, girls. Bye, girls. All done. Yeah, all done. I opened the gate behind them. That one. That one back there. It's open. They have the ability to leave. Which one of these guys is going to figure out that that gate behind them is open and allows them to get into their arena and eat all the grass that's growing up in there? All right, this one is the blind horse. Will the blind horse figure out the gate's open? How about the pony? Will the pony figure it out? The blind horse, the blind one, figured out the gate is open. Molly just figured it out. And I'm in. Well, I put up a little temporary fence out here for the goats because the grass is starting to get kind of high. Sorry I didn't time-lapse that one for you, but Mother Nature has been doing that, and I just didn't have the time to do a camera and fence. Those two bottle babies haven't figured out how to get over here yet.